New tonight, a Westfield business is showing off their new facility in a unique way. Dozens coming out for an open house and car show at the new Boulevard Machine facility located at 326 Lockhouse Road. Boulevard Machine is a woman-owned business and provides precision machined components for things like aerospace, defense, outer space, and other technical markets. The company partnering with the Western Massachusetts chapter of the National Tooling and Machining Alliance for tonight's event. 22 News spoke to the president and CEO of the company about their new home.
For us, it was a good fit for employees as well as for us, close to the Mass Pike, close to the highway, close to all of our finishing suppliers, and knowing that we're in this the hub of the Pioneer Valley, which is a corridor of precision machining facilities.
Boulevard Machine was founded in 1954 and was acquired by CASA in 2006. To learn more about what they do, we've linked you on our website.